Hi children, welcome to maths class. So in the last class I have given this as a homework for you all. What you all will do? See here, some of them is addition and some of them is subtraction children. See. You have to do accordingly and you have to match and select the exact key. Okay. Next is the estimation difference. So what is meant by estimation difference? See, this is a number line I have drawn here. 10 to 20. So here number line is 10 to 20. So if my number is 12, then the estimation value is 10. See, because 12 is nearer to 10 here children. Okay. If my number is 18, if I get an answer as 18, so the estimated value is 20. Okay children, this is the way we have solved a given example in addition children. In the same way we have done here. Okay. Estimate the following numbers and add the find the difference. So 89 and 19. What is the difference here? 89 minus 19 is 70. Yes. So the answer is estimated value is 70 only children. Okay. This comes here. That 64 minus 32 is 32. So the answer is nearer value is 30. See, no need of doing the here subtraction children. Okay. Here I have done a subtract for you all, but no need of doing subtraction here. Just you can give the estimation value here. So first value is 70, then you can write 30, and here you can write 30 answer. Here 40. See, 38 it is nearer to 40 because it comes 38 there that side. Here 72 minus 44. See, here is a, what is it children here? Here is a match the following. So first what you have to do? First you have to find the answers here. So the nearer value, 34 is nearer to 30. Estimated value is 30. 28 is estimated value is 30. 13 estimation value is 10. 19 is 20. See, I have shown you children in this way. See, now 19 estimation value is 19. 19 estimation value is 90 is nearer to 20. If it is answer is 13, see here. If it is answer is 13, so the estimated value is 10. See here, 10 in this way. Okay children. Here is the puzzle. See, left to right. So you have to solve all these children. Then we'll get some answers here. Then you have to write. See, left to right. So first answer is 781. So left to right. A answer is 781. You have to write 781 in this way. Next B answer is 60. So where is B here? So B answer is 60. You should write in this way. See, one answer is wrong children here. In this 341 they have given. You should correct it as 340 it is. Okay. And here also it is 450 minus 360 it is missing. 0 is missing children here. So write down here 0. So the answer comes 90. Okay. This is your subtraction chapter children. You all will solve this. So this is a puzzle you all will enjoy children. So this type of puzzle you will see in the newspapers children. Have you all seen this type of puzzles in the newspapers? Yes. If you have seen, try to solve day by day. See, write yourself. Create a own questions by yourself and try to solve in this way. 421 plus 360 is 781. So everything, all the answers you are getting from this side, you have to write left to right only. See, left to right only. Here answer is, B answer is estimated value they are asking children. See, estimation of difference. They are asking estimated value is 62. So the nearer value is 60. So you have to write 60. Estimated value is 60 in this way. Left to right. C answer is 192. See, 192. Left to right. 561. So left to right. D, 561. E1 it is 62 is the answer. So the estimated value is 60. So E is, where is E? So here is 60. F, 83. 83. 199. G is 199. Okay. Here this is left to right. Here it is top to bottom. How will write? Top to bottom. So 705. A1 is 705. See, it is there already. 7 is there, 5 is there. So 0 is the answer. So we have written 781 and here it is 56 we have written. So 705. I it is 111. Top to bottom. 111. 626. See, which one it is? 626. B. 626. See children, are you enjoying this one? So this is a cross number puzzle. So do it children. So this is a matching. So this completes your subtraction lesson children. This is very easy. See so many examples you have here. You have tried to solve this. If you get any doubt, you can call me children. Okay. So this completes your subtraction chapter. Okay children. In the next class I am going to start for your multiplication. So if you want to do the multiplication chapter, you should be thorough with the tables children. Okay, you should be thorough with your dictation. Okay children, I'll give time for you all. Learn the tables till 15. Okay, then I'll solve this multiplication chapter for you all. Okay children, take care. Bye bye.